Welcome back. I'm Rajveer Kaur. I'm a mindful chemistry coach. I teach 11th and 12th class science students the subject of chemistry and help them get above 90% marks in their final exams and also prepare for their entrance exams. In this series of videos, I'm taking up the back exercises of NCERT chemistry 11th as well as 12th class. From this video onwards, I'm taking up organic chemistry 12th class NCERT back exercises. I'm starting with the very first chapter, that is alkyl and aryl halides. So it is the 10th chapter, and because students, they find organic very difficult, so I will try my level best to make it as easy as I can. All right, so let us now move into the first question of this chapter. That is question number 10.1. The statement for it is, name the following halides according to IUPAC system and classify them as alkyl, allyl, benzyl, primary, secondary, tertiary, vinyl, or aryl halides. Okay, so we need to classify as well as we need to name the organic compounds that have been, the structure of those compounds has been given to us. Okay, so let us now move into the very first part of this question. It is CH3 twice, CH, Cl, CH3. So this is, we can, first of all, we will be writing it after opening up. So it is like this. Okay, now select the longest chain which is having the functional group. So here in this case, the functional group will be the chlorine atom, that is the halide. It is always considered as the secondary functional group, but still, because no other functional group is there, we will be considering this. Okay, now this is the longest carbon chain which is having the functional group. All right, now number it, giving the positions to the secondary functional group as well as the substituent. Now this is actually the halides, they are considered as substituents only. Okay, so if you join in my online live classes, I explain that in detail, how to recognize which is the primary and which is the secondary and which is the substituent. Okay, for now, we will be numbering it in a way that this chloride, it gets the lowest possible number. Okay, so it is 2-chloro, 3-methyl. Now, how many carbons are there in the main chain? 4 carbons, butane. Okay, ane because all the carbon-carbon bonds are single bonds. Now we need to tell what is the type of this halide. Type of this halide is secondary alkyl halide. Okay, now why alkyl halide? Because the halogen atom is attached to a alkyl group. Okay, why secondary? Because the carbon which is carrying the halogen, it is further attached to 2 carbon atoms, this one and this one. So it is a secondary alkyl halide. Let's move into the second part of this question. It is CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH, C2H5, Cl. All right. Now let's open it up. So C2H5, I can also write it as CH2, CH3. Now select the longest carbon chain which is having the functional group. Now give the numbers, position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 3-chloro, 4-methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hexane. All right, now what is the type? It will again be a secondary alkyl group, alkyl halide. Why so? Just like in the previous case, the carbon which is carrying the halogen atom, it is further attached to 2 carbon atoms. So it is a secondary alkyl halide. All right. Next, let's move into the third part of this question. I'm just clearing my screen off. The third part of this question is CH3, CH2, C, CH3 twice, CH2I. So I can write it like this. So we need to take care of the valencies of carbon. All the carbons, they should have tetravalency. Okay. Now select the carbon chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 1 iodo, 2, 2 dimethyl, 1, 2, 3, 4 butane. 4 carbons in the main chain. So it is but, because all the carbon-carbon bonds are single bonds, it is N. Okay. Now what is the type? It is the primary alkyl halide. Why primary? Because the carbon which is directly attached to the halogen, it is further attached only to one carbon atom. This one, this carbon atom. Okay. Directly it is attached only to one carbon atom. Then the fourth one is CH3 thrice C, CH2, CH, Br, C6H5. So it is like this: CH3, C, CH3, CH2, CH, Br, C6H5. Now, this is the substituent. It is benzene ring. When benzene ring is present as a substituent, it is known as the phenyl group. It is known as phenyl group. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can take this as the fourth carbon, or you can take this as the fourth carbon, because both are equivalent. But you can take only one, definitely, but any of the two you can take, right? Now, it is 1 bromo. So at the third position, there is methyl group, 3 methyl, 1 phenyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbons in the main chain, butane. Now, what is the type of this halide? It is secondary benzylic halide. Now, why secondary benzylic halide? So if I tell you that this is the, there is a benzene ring, and to which there is a group, CH2 is there. Now this whole group is known as the benzylic group. If alone benzene is there, it is phenyl group. If there is CH2 also on it, it is benzyl group. Okay. Now, if I remove one more hydrogen from this, it will be secondary benzyl group. Okay. Now, this bromine, it is attached to a secondary benzylic group. So it is secondary benzylic halide. Hope this is clear to you. Next, let us move into the next part of this question. I think it is fifth part we need to do. Yes. Fifth part is CH3CH, CH3, CHBr, CH3, CH3C, CH3H, CHBr, CH3. Very simple. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it is 2 bromo, 3 methyl, butane. Now, what will be the type of alkyl halide? Again, it will be a secondary alkyl halide. It will be a secondary alkyl halide, because again, same reason, because the carbon which is directly attached to the halogen, it is further attached to carbon atoms. Okay. The next is sixth one, CH3, C, C2H5 twice, CH2Br. Okay. Now, let's open it up and write it again. So I can just write it like this. C2H5, I can write it CH2, CH3. Here also CH2, CH3. Then it is CH2Br. Now, how to select the chain here? If you see, you will be finding that this is the longest chain, like this. But this is wrong. We cannot consider it because it is not having the functional group. So we need to select the longest chain which is carrying the functional group, that is bromine in this case. Okay. So we can take, okay, I'm writing it again. So this is CH2CH3. This chain you cannot take. It will not be the longest one. Now how to select it? We can take this as the longest chain. 4 carbon atoms. Now number it. 1, 2, 3, 4. At the second carbon atom, there is an ethyl group and there is a methyl group also. So it will be 1 bromo, 2 ethyl, 2 methyl. How many carbons in the longest chain? 4 carbons. So it is butane. Why N? Because all the carbon-carbon bonds are single bonds. Now what is the type? It is a primary alkyl halide. Why primary alkyl halide? Because the carbon to which bromine is attached, it is further attached only to 1 carbon atom directly. Okay, let's now move into the next part of this question, that is part number 7. Seventh part is CH3C Cl C2H5 CH2 CH3. Let's now open it up. CH3C Cl. Now this is C2H5. I can write it as CH2 CH3. This is CH2 CH3. Now select the longest carbon chain. You can take this as the longest carbon chain. You can take this as the longest carbon chain. It will not make any difference because these are the similar carbon chains. Now number it. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 2 chloro, 2 ethyl, 1, 2, 3, 4 butane. Now what is the type of the halide? It is again secondary alkyl halide. Hope this is clear to you. Next, let's move into the 8th part of this very question. 8th part of this question is CH3, CH double bond C, Cl, CH2, CH, CH3 twice. Let's open it up. So it is CH, CH3 on this side, CH3 on this side. Okay. Now we will be starting the numbering from the side where the lowest position is given to the carbon-carbon double bond because it is preferred over chloro group. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now at the second position, there is ene, that is double bond. Third position is chloro. At the 5th position, there is a methyl group. So I will be writing 3 chloro, 5 methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 carbons in the chain hex. At the second position, there is carbon-carbon double bond. So 2 ene. Ene, why? Because there is carbon-carbon double bond. Now, what is the type of this halide? It is alkyl halide and it is a secondary alkyl halide because the carbon which is directly attached to chlorine, it is further attached to 2 carbon atoms. So it is secondary alkyl halide. Hope this is clear. Let us now move into the next part of this question, that is part number 9. We are left with only 4 parts. I will be taking up only this question for this video so that you can absorb it. Okay, CH3, CH double bond, CH, C, Br, CH3, again CH3. So I've already opened it up. Okay. Now, what you can do is you need to number it. Start numbering from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now start numbering from the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now which will be considered as the right numbering? The first one will be considered as the right numbering because here the carbon-carbon double bond is getting the lower position. Okay, so when carbon-carbon double bond is there and halide is there, the preference will be given to carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, so here you can just write 4 bromo, 4 methyl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pent, because 5 carbons are there in the main chain, 2 ene. Now, what is the type of halide? The carbon to which halogen is attached, it is further attached to 3 carbon atoms. So it is a, okay, no, it will not be a tertiary halide. I just did not consider this double bond. Now, if this is the situation, suppose you have this halide. This is allylic halide. When the carbon to which the halogen is attached, it is further attached to a carbon which is attached to another carbon through a double bond. It is allylic halide. The carbon to which halide is attached, it is further attached to another carbon which is bonding, which has a double bond with another carbon. It is allyl halide. So the carbon to which halogen is attached, it is attached further to a carbon which is further attached to another carbon through a double bond. So this is allylic group. So this particular halide is the allylic halide. Okay. The next 10th part of this question is para-chloro C6H4 CH2 CH CH3 twice. Now, where it is C6H5, C6H4, this means there is benzene ring. Okay. So on benzene ring, there is this group attached. CH, here it is CH3, CH3. All right. At the para position to this group, there is chlorine. Now the preference will be given to the chlorine. So this is the number 1 position, 2, 3, 4. Now this is a complex substituent. We will be naming it separately. In the name, we will be writing the name of the substituent separately because this substituent is itself substituted. Okay, so we will be writing 1-chloro. Now at the 4th position, there is a substituent 1, 2, 3. At the 2nd position of that substituent, there is methyl group, 2-methyl. Now, if this is CH3, CH2, CH2 group, it is propyl group. At the 2nd position of this propyl group, there was CH3. So I wrote 2-methyl. So it is propyl, 2-methyl propyl. It is at the 4th position, benzene. Now, what is the type of this halide? This is an aryl halide. Why aryl halide? Because the halogen is directly attached to the aromatic ring, that is benzene ring. Hope this is clear. Let's now move into the 11th part of this question. The 11th part of this question is CH2, C6H4, CH2C, CH3. This is the bracket, okay? Thrice. Again, this similar question is there. Okay. Now this is the group which is attached. Again, a complex substituent is there. At the meta position, there is CH2Cl. The first position will be given to this group. Now, this group is chloromethyl group. If I say this group is there, it is methyl group. One hydrogen has been replaced by chlorine. It is chloromethyl group. So I will be writing 1 chloro. Then at the third position, again, there is a complex substituent. 1, 2, 3. So it is 2,2-dimethyl. In the main chain, there are 3 carbons. So propyl group. 3,2,2-dimethyl propyl benzene. Okay. Now this is a benzylic halide. Benzylic halide. And it is a primary benzylic halide. I have already told you when benzene ring is there and to that there is CH2 group, it is the benzyl group. And to the benzyl group, chlorine has been attached. So it is a benzylic halide. Now because this carbon to which chlorine is attached, it is further attached only to 1 carbon. That is the carbon of the benzene ring. So it is a primary benzylic halide. Hope this is clear. And let us now move into the last part of this question. And after that, I will be ending this video and I will be taking up the next questions in the next video. Okay. Okay. So the 12th part of this question is bromine is there at the ortho position, C6H4CH. So this is also the similar question. CH3, CH2, CH3. Okay. Now it is CH3. Here it is CH2, CH3. Okay. Now at the ortho position, there is bromine. Again, a complex substituent is there, right? So this is 1, 2, 3. So it is 1 bromo, 3. Now at the third position, there is a propyl group, which is a substituted propyl group. At the first position of that propyl group, there is methyl group. So it is 1 methyl propyl benzene. Now this is a aryl halide because the halogen atom is directly attached to the aromatic ring. Hope this is clear to you. And if you need more clarity, just write your doubts in the comment section below. As well, you can join my live classes. I explain everything in detail there, how you can solve the questions and how to do the nomenclature, what are the different types of organic reactions, everything I cover there in detail. Okay, so I will see you in the next video with the next questions.